Okay, what did we do here, Bob?
We cut out this thing and we cleaned it out and took out the nails, and then we're going to put some new floor in and put it in and screw it in.
Hey everyone, welcome back. It's been a minute since I've been working on this. Got some quotes on getting the floor sanded and finished, and we're gonna get that done here pretty soon, I hope. But you know, a couple things left to do here in the kitchen before really that can happen. One, I want to get this wall and that wall and that wall kind of skim coated, so we can prime it and possibly paint it before the floors go in and not have to worry too much about spilling stuff. The other thing is this little section here needs to be filled in like I did this one, so we'll do that eventually tonight, though I'm going to be skim coating this, and we'll see how it turns out. We'll I gotta spray it down with some soapy water and give it a final run over, and we'll let this wall set, and then I'll do these two tomorrow maybe. You gonna be in the video?
Yeah, I'm going to be in the video.
Alright, go get Jimmy's. We'll let that dry for another 15-20 minutes and go over it once more and Call it good. All right, so we're down to the last details, and it's a pain in the butt because I'm done. I'm tired. I don't like doing this anymore. It's almost summer. Much rather be outside working in the garden. But we got a few things left. Primarily molding around the doors, around the windows. These guys. This. I gotta pull this out, put a spacer behind it so it doesn't butt right up against the tile there. Project for today is to do here what I did here with the flooring. We got the flooring guy coming in a couple weeks. He's going to refinish all the floors in the house. It's going to be nice, but I got that. I got to do something with this strip here, and then do some sort of transition piece here. Got to get those three things done before he comes. And yeah. It'll get done, slowly but surely. Pretty good fit, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
Now that we've done that, we can, redo all this other floor, and we'll be, and then we'll, pretty much doing work.
Well, it's not that it's bad. It's just, I'm sure after so long, things have started to creak away from each other, and looks like somebody tried to fill it in right here all along. I don't know. Well, I'm gonna have to think about this one. Try and fix it or replace it. That is the question. And just because I like making life hard on myself, I've decided to replace it. Won't be too bad. You can see it's still got just has the bullnose edge. They actually did a really good job of putting this in. It's just been kind of beaten away, and whatever they used to fill it with this stuff. I don't know, I guess I could sand it down, but I mean, now that it's out, yeah. We'll just make a copy of this. I've had a lot of people ask me, if you're getting the floors redone and you had to put new wood in, why didn't you just go all the way across so it kind of matched in here? Well, I thought about it and I almost did it. But you know, when this is finished, you're barely going to notice it. And I kind of like the idea of leaving a little bit of history here. You know, at one point this was a separate room over here, and I doubt many people will notice it, and it'll just be something I notice and I remember, and I'll enjoy that. Same thing with these wood plugs I just put in. Typically you're supposed to cut them from the same piece of wood, and then you're supposed to turn them so the grain matches up. But you know, again, you're barely going to notice them. If anybody notices them, I will see them, and it'll just kind of be a reminder of what we've done here. So that's my reasoning here. In the other places I am going to match the grain and match it up and everything. But yeah, this little kitchen area is kind of special. So I eventually did finish this up. Bullnose looks pretty nice. We'll see how it fills in. But not too bad of a crack in there. Looking pretty decent. Take care of this carpet and stuff at a later date, but it's looking pretty good there. There we go. So this is the part I've been dreading. This is the last little patch we have to make. You can see this has been chewed up pretty well from tack strips and staples and all that good stuff. So the plan is to start right here, cut this board out all the way to the wall. And what I did was make this piece here, glued this up. What do you got, bub?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Glued this up. We're going to try and, I'm going to have to take this molding off and probably a little bit of that molding to be able to jam it in there. What are you going to do, bub?
Oh, Daddy.
You're going to help me?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay, good. I'm going to trim this front piece down so that it makes a nice transition onto the tile here across the way. Let's get to it. Well, that's good for now. We'll sand it down and it'll look pretty good. So, speaking of sanding down, there's the living room. It's ready to go. And the dining room. It's ready for some loving. And then you all know kitchen. Didn't quite get to the walls today. Maybe we'll sand those down and just add to the dust this week. But yeah, got our patches. Good to go there. Hallway, kind of dark, but it's going to clean up nicely. There you go. Yeah, looking forward to it.